Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys the different pots and pans that I use in my kitchen when I'm cooking. A lot of you guys always ask me questions about what kind of pots I use when I cook, so I thought it would be easier if I make a video for the rest of you guys who are always wondering as well. So when I make my rice, I usually like to use these kind of pots. I got these from Haiti. They come with covers. This is aluminum. And I have a small one because sometimes when I make like rice and shrimp, my husband don't eat shrimp, so I usually make a smaller portion for myself or friends. So I really love this. And then I of course have the big one that you guys always see me use when I make rice and peas or rice and beans. I got this from Haiti as well, and I've had this for over 8 or so years, and it still look pretty good. And I have this other one that you guys always see me use as well to make rice and beans. To me, these type of pots are the best pots to use when you are making rice and peas. Of course, you can make it in a non-stick skillet as well, but to me as a Haitian, this is the best pot that I can use to make my rice and peas. I know I've seen some on Amazon, and I've seen some at my local Walmart even, so make sure you check out your local Walmart to see if they have any of the pots for you guys, or I can leave a link down in the description box for one that I've seen on Amazon. And of course I have these non-stick pans. This is a Paula Deen brand, and a lot of you guys always ask me questions about this pot as well. I got this like 6 or 7 years ago, and it still looks pretty good. The inside have some scratch in it, but it still hold up pretty good. I really like this one as well. And I have this skillet here. This is the Pioneer Woman skillet, and it's pretty good. I like to use this when I saute anything or when I make omelet, anything that I need to use a non-stick skillet for. This is really good. I bought this at Walmart as well. And then I have my wok. My wok I also purchased at Walmart. Of course I love using this when I make stir fry. This is really good. This is not anything fancy. This is just a basic, but they come fancier than this. Of course they are more expensive. This wasn't expensive at all. This was like either $10 or $15, somewhere around there. So really inexpensive and really serves a lot of purpose. Really love this. And then I have my iron skillet that you guys always see that I use. I love this because you can start cooking on your stovetop and transfer it down to your oven without any problem. So when I make steak, I start browning my steak on my stovetop, and then I take the whole pot and stick it underneath my oven to finish the cooking. So I feel like this is a must in everybody's kitchen. I have the big one, and you guys know I have the smaller one as well, so it depends on how big your family is. You can get whatever size you want. And I also have this pot here that I use mostly when I'm like cooking spaghetti, just to cook down my spaghetti or to cook my spaghetti. This is Kenmore, and I really love this. This is actually a steam. It have the steam part that comes with it. My husband mostly use this more than me, but this is pretty much all the pots that I use on a regular basis. Please let me know if this video was helpful. Give it a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. And please don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and come snap with me on Snapchat. And also go follow my Twitter and of course on Instagram if I didn't say that already. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share these videos with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys again, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.